welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am Kodani. If you guys are new, subscribe and click on the gray bell so you get to see me more often on your screen. If you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel. Before I get into anything, thank you so much for 684 subscribers. We are almost at 1,000. Okay, we are almost there. So if you're new here, please subscribe if you're already. And if you're not new, come back to see me once again. How you doing? I'm great. Thank you for coming back. Today is the first of many. Today is my first makeup video where I actually speak about makeup. So hopefully you guys like this. It's like a new thing for me. I'm gonna show you guys what I used to get this face right here. Also what I use like that's affordable, that is accessible, and that works for me. So if you want to know more, please keep on watching. Guys, my makeup bag, right? It's a bit messy because I use my makeup today, but I want to show you guys like what I have in this makeup bag. Like, this is my entire makeup collection, and it has a lot of stuff. So this is the bag, right? It has all the things that I need right here. The top layer is my lipsticks, my lip glosses, and my eye stuff, my liners and stuff. Then the second layer is just my contours, my setting sprays and everything. And the third layer is basically all the things that broke that I still use. So like my highlighters, my bronzers and everything. So let me show you guys what I use and what I use them for and all those good things. So I am a big Essence girl because I love affordability because I'm also balling on a budget. So I will show you guys what I use for my brows today. I use the Essence brow pencil. It's this one right here, and this is in the shade number 2 brown. Now I use this for my brows because I like that natural brow, but I also like brows that actually like you can see them. You can actually see the brow. So I use this one right here. This goes for 30 rands at and dischem. So I use this one. I also used to use the brow crayon before when I was still going for that dark brow, like when the dark brow was still in. So I used to use these 2 brow pencils right here. These 2 right here, guys. I will leave the names in the DB, so just check that out. So I have the Essence Micro Precise Brow Pencil, this one right here, and I also have the Essence Super Last 24-hour protection, 24-hour waterproof brow crayon. So I have these 3 right here, but usually I use the brow pencil because I like a natural brow, and also if you're starting out, it's easy for you to use this because this actually glides well. It's not so slippery, like you won't make too much mistakes, and it's just more beginner friendly. So I do use it on my brow as well. From my brows, I go into eyeshadow. I like to do that first. So I use concealer to basically prime my eyes. What that means is that like for your eyeshadow to appear more, for the colors to appear more, you want to use have a base for your eyes. So what I do is I go in with a concealer to actually base my eyes before I put on the colors. So for concealer, I go usually with a shade that's actually a bit lighter than my skin tone. So I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the shade medium beige. This concealer right here. Now these ones come in different colors. These ones right here, they're falling, you guys, but it's these ones right here. What I use is a palette that I think isn't the most affordable, but if you want colors and if you want a quality that's actually on the affordable / not so affordable but still affordable type of thing, I suggest you go with this palette right here. This one is the one from Makeup Revolution. So this is the Makeup Revolution Tammi X Tropical Paradise palette. This one right here. Now this are the colors that are actually there, right? As you can see, you have your sparkles here, you have your warm tones here, you have some color here as well. If you're if you're a color girl, you have some gold, some blues, and some greens here. You also have some colors here as well. So you have a mixture of different colors. So if you want something that actually has different colors on it and you can actually work around it, this is the best you would do. Also the palette itself, it has a good, I am big on affordability again, but also I like to glow. So I use a primer serum that is hydrating. So I use the primer serum from Wet n Wild, this one right here. This is the Primer Serum Prime Focus Hydrating Primer. Now I use this because I like to hydrate my skin. I also have dry skin as well, so I like to just have things that are very hydrating and everything. But if you do have oily skin, go for the mattifying primers. If you have my type of skin where I have dry skin, I go like for the hydrating one, so I use this one here. This, I forgot how much it is, but I'll put on the screen. I like this for my foundation, like a mattifying foundation that is affordable. Go with the Maybelline Fit Me, this one right here, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now this is the matte and poreless foundation. If you are a beginner, this is the best you can find, this right here, because it's affordable. It's 100 rands, I think. It's affordable and it's a good foundation. I want like it's a good foundation. It's mattifying, but also like it's like a beautiful finish. So I would suggest you get this. But if you want like a more glowy type of foundation, I actually have this, and it's actually finished because I use it a lot. This is the Rimmel foundation. You see, even like the names are missing here because it's been here for a while and it's almost done. So like this is the Rimmel foundation, the Rimmel London 24-hour with comfort serum foundation. It's the lasting finish foundation. If you like a glowy, dewy foundation, this is the best you get for drugstore because it's affordable. Number one, it leaves like with a beautiful dewy finish. Like it's not mattifying, it's very much dewy. It gives you that glowing type of feel. So you can try out this foundation right here from and to contour. People use different things. I use a foundation stick that is a bit darker than my actual skin tone. So I use the Wet n Wild stick foundation in the color Chestnut, this one. So this is it's a foundation, but I use it as my when it comes to baking and setting the face and everything. I don't know how people do it, but this is how I do it, right? I like to set my under eye with a powder. Now this one for me is a bit tricky, but I love it because it works for most skin tones, as I've seen when I use it on different people. So this is the Maybelline Lasting Fix. This is their translucent, their loose setting powder. It's a matte powder. I use, like, after I've actually done my under eye with the concealer and I want to set my concealer, I use this as my powder under my eyes, and it has that translucent finish where like you can't really see much, but it does mattify and it does highlight your face. So I use this one right here. Also affordable. Guys, for me, like with powders, I am big on getting like the right thing, because if your powder is off, it will look not cakey, but like you will look ghosty. So for me, I like to go with like what I trust. So I have this, but if you are on the affordable side, you can try the Makeup Revolution powders. I have this, but like in the wrong shade, but I do like how this is on deeper skin. So I have this one right here, and this is the Makeup Revolution Terracotta, the luxury baking powder. This one right here. They have these in different shades. They have this in orange. They also have this in banana, and one that's a bit light. Now we are coming to my favorite thing, which is lips. Honey, I love me some lipstick. As you can see, I love lipstick. I love bold lips. So today I actually mixed these lipsticks together. But anyway, I love these lipsticks from Essence. Let me tell you, okay, if you are on a budget and you want mattifying lipsticks that actually work, right here, like it's supposed to be here. This is you. It's supposed to be here. So these are the Essence Stay 8-Hour Matte Liquid Lipsticks. I have them in different colors because I just love how they are. But these lipsticks, you guys, let me tell you, okay, they're so mattifying, but they're not drying. They have a beautiful finish, okay? They look good on anybody, and they have so many different colors. So many colors. These right here, listen. These right here, I love these lipsticks. They are so beautiful on any, like everybody looks glossy. Like I like to keep it glossy, keep it, keeping it, glow and everything. You can try out the Essence Plumping Nude Lipsticks, nude lip glosses. This I love as well because of how it looks when I apply it. It does stay on for longer. This is why I love it. It's this one right here. Now for me, This I use if I have a nude lip, so I would use these ones. I only have this in this color, but I want to get more because they actually are beautiful also. So Essence does have like a lot of beautiful lip products if you are on a budget. They look nice, they have a beautiful finish, they are just, you know, they are decent quality, and I use them a lot. So you can try out this if you're looking for a gloss. And then also, I forgot to show you guys my mascara that I use. Now, I'm not big on like which ones to buy, but if you're on a budget, I would suggest you get the ones from Essence as well. This is the Essence Get Big Volume Curl mascara right here. They have these in different different colors, different they have this, like, I'm showing you guys like what I have for my setting sprays. I use the Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray. This one right here. This is a natural finish. If you want the glowy type of setting sprays, I would suggest getting the MAC Fix Plus. It's a bit pricey, but it works. But if you're starting off and you're still like learning makeup, go with this one and just set your face and see what happens. This won't give you a matte finish. It won't give you a dew finish. It will give you a natural finish. You will look like you actually have makeup on that looks nice, but it's not mattified, it's not glowing, it's just decent, you know, like a decent finish. But if you like the whole matte type of finish, you can try the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. This is a mattifying spray. So if you want like the matte look, you can try this. If you want like another affordable spray, which I can't see where it is right now, try the LA Girl Setting Spray in matte. It does matte. For highlighters, you guys, for highlighters, I broke my highlight like a long time ago, but this baby right here, let me tell you, okay, it works. Like it's in a plastic bag because I broke it, okay? And it's old, but I've been using it, so, and it's almost done actually. So I like a golden highlighter. Some people like the silver ones, I like gold, but I do mix mine sometimes. So this one like is almost finished, but I have the Maybelline Master Bronze Color and Highlighting Kit. This one, you see how old it looks? I use these things, guys. I use them. So this is the one that I have right now. This is my highlighting shade. You see, it's almost done. I use this a lot, so I have this. For me, I like this part of this palette. This is also okay if you want like the glowing the glowy bronze thing that people do, but for me, I like this the most. This highlight right here works, okay? So this is the Maybelline Bronze highlighting palette. It's a highlighting kit. So this is my highlighter. These are my bronzes right here. Depending on my look, I will choose whatever I'm choosing here, but for me, I like to go here a lot because it helps keep this makeup look glowy and whatever. And you know, I just like highlighting because I like it. So I like this as well. But if you're on a budget and you really like on a budget, I got you. I have a highlight. Like, this thing works for anybody. Let me tell you something. This highlighter works for anyone. I don't care what skin tone you are. I've used this on myself, on other people, and it works perfectly for every single person. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals. If you know this right here, you know what happens here. This is the Beyonce of the drugstore highlighters. Let me tell you. Video, if you like this type of video, please like it. Comment down below and tell me what I should get, like this drugstore that actually would work for me. Share my videos, subscribe if you haven't already. We are almost at 1K, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.